loud it is for you guys and how loud I'm having to talk. And it'll probably be really loud, and I'm sorry guys, because I think I've explained it before. Let's turn this way. I think I've explained it before. I have a really cheap microphone. I'm using like some cheap computer microphone or some crap. Who knows? It's like some old cheap 90s microphone from a computer that I just took it out of its case and just stuffed it into my cheek pad. Ow! And that's how I speak. Bum bum be dum bum be dum be dum be dum be dum bum be dum bum be dum be dum be dum be bum 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 boy. Brake screech! The wind's blowing, how about that? I don't feel it. That's just weird. I don't know what that was. I was mating. That was my mating call. Calling for the other bikes. I do not see any more bikes. Why do I not see any more bikes? What do you mean they don't want to mate with mine? Make little dirt bike babies. Mine looks pretty sexy enough to mate with some other bike. I don't know, let's get off this topic. This is weird, really weird. I don't want to talk about my bike mating. No. Oh, I don't know what that was. It like threw me up. That was bad. I was running on the front wheel that whole time. I thought I was going over the bars. I probably would have it. I had been going a little faster or leaning forward a little more. I would have gone over the bars. And that wouldn't have been fun at all. I don't need to go over them again. Yeah. Look at that bird thing. Guinea fowl. Yeah. Birthday. I did it right that time. Feels odd up in this place. Is that I can see? No, you guys can't, man. I can see. Where am I going? I cannot see. Oh, I cannot see. Where am I going? I'm gonna hit the bucket that's up here. Bang. Bang. There's snakes out here. What am I doing? Just like that. Like that, so I don't get any snakes. Don't get bitten by any snakes. Makes my steering harder, but whatever. Let's just not steer into that pond or that bush, tree, pole stuff right there. Oh, I'm stuck. seat again. Weird thing. We we'll go check out around the way. Let's go. Where am I going? Yeah, there would be nails and stuff up in there. I don't want to run over that stuff. Oh, there's a fence right there. Forgot how to get around it. Do I want to risk this? Just be careful. I think I'm free. Let's just go slow though, just in case. Oh, I never realized how close it was. It's right there. I never pay attention. Okay. It's like where he kept pigs or something, the last guy that owned this place before we did. I don't even remember when we moved in here. I wasn't even thought of yet.